Welcome to Cloaked. In this video, I'm going to explain why I have taken GBP Swiss franc trade in today's London session. As you can see, I've entered here. This is MT5. I've taken a trade here on MT5. I'm targeting around 1 to 2.3. Let me explain my reasoning behind this trade. Let's just go to trading view. So when I was doing analysis at around 9:30 local time, just some minutes before London Open, I came to D1. I was scanning through charts and I realized the pair that was making a lot of sense and was close to an area that I could take the trade was GBP Swiss franc. So first, GBP, being GBP, given that the pair has GBP as the base currency, that means in London it's likely at least to make some moves, not obviously, but most likely. So I came on D1 and I realized that the price is ranging, but in a downtrend within resistance and support for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For the last 9 days, the price has been ranging within this, but in an overall downtrend because as you can see, so this was high, low, high. Okay, though it did not close. So then it changed character here. From here, it changed character because it closed below this area. Then pulled back here. Then started ranging in that area. So overall, in D1, my assessment was that the price is in a downtrend, short-term downtrend. Of course, there are people who will say that the price will change character here, but that is a discretionary decision that you have to analyze depending on whether you are a swing trader, a day trader, or on how your perception of the market. But based on how I view it, being a day trader, because I'm capturing a very short-term period of the market, of the price movement, this is a downtrend. But that is generally what I viewed based on my perspective of the market. Then I came now to H4 to confirm what I was seeing. And as you can see, the price has been ranging between these. And when I zoom, you can see the price was. This is a very good. This is a very good resistance area. This was resistance, support turning into resistance here. And the price broke. The price broke below here on H4. The price immediately came to revisit, but it has remained there for the last 9 days. So the last time H4 revisited this zone, it came down with some 2 bearish candles that has a lot of supply, although it did not break below here, which to make it a valid supply zone. But giving a ranging market, you can see some supplies from that area. So I've determined that the price is at resistance. Secondly, the price has revisited this green candle here, this green candle here, this one here, which acts as an order block on H4, depending on how you define it. So on H4 and D1, I've determined that the price is an prime entry area that I can consider taking a trade, a short trade. Then now I come to H1 and I refine my entries and look for exactly when to execute the trade. So when I came to the market, the price was here. The bearish candle here, this one, had not formed. So what I wanted is when the market opens, I want to see some form of sweep of liquidity, which was this low, this highs here. I wanted some sweep here. So this candle swept and these highs here that had formed during Asia, and let me just open this one and see if I'm going to see the Asian high. Let's check it on the lower time frame. Then again closed inside after the sweep with bearish engulfing candle. So that was for me my trigger to get into the market. But then I placed a pending order based on now coming to M5. And another confluence, Now I came here. Another confluence that I checked was that M5 had changed character. And you can see this is now another confluence. The price swept the Asian high, then closed inside. Here you can see the Asian high was here, and these were also equal lows that were swept, and the price closed inside. Then at this position here, the price had changed character on M5 because this was higher high, higher low, higher high. Then now the price came and closed below this area by the first candle of the London session after sweeping this high. And remember, another thing also that I actually considered was this dotted line here was the daily high, yesterday's daily high that has been taken out. Let me just go to H4 so that I can show you. This one is previous day high. It has also been taken. So there is sweep of Asian high, sweep of yesterday's high in a supply area and in a ranging market, which is on the upper side of now the ranging market. So that gave me some confluence to take the short trade after this bearish engulfing here. So I placed a pending order based on where the character changed, which is here. So I placed a pending order here and it has just been triggered. So let me watch the trade and probably just not really watching, but let's see how it's going to run. And I'll update later, probably in the evening once the trade closes, whether it's a win or a loss. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and let's continue sharing the journey.